What's up, guys? I'm back with an update video here. So we got tires mounted on my dad's truck. We had to cut 2 studs off this side because they spun. So now this one's just got 6 studs. Front end on this thing sits ridiculously high, but ran my brake line, or his brake line, through his door bar. Comes out there, and then back over there. Made our homemade U-bolt eliminators. Nothing fancy, just trying to get the job done. And then we moved the leaf spring mounts forward and up, front and rear. Rear end as it sits right now. And he started welding on his where the frame comes together in there. Made a throttle pedal for my truck. It's sitting over there. I'll show that in a second. I welded up my plate more on both sides, and then I put 2 holes in here for bolts to pinch the metal together. This is the pedal I made. It's all finished now. I'll have like 2 or 3 springs on this because it's heavy. But I shouldn't have to worry about this thing bending ever. But yeah, it's basically all. Oh yeah, and cut this bumper off the original front stub for that. It's pretty nice stuffed bumper. I mean, it's not gonna be the hardest bumper ever, but good enough to try out for a limited weld for now. I think that's all for now. Yeah. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see more of. Thanks.